Number 5.
Nasa kay Tong Benz. Betong. Uy!
Yung araw dito kailangan ba ito pindutin? Muna nila?
Hindi na. Pagkaano na. Number 5. Number 1. Pinakasilalim.
Shop! Hinihingal na si Melo! Ba't yung coach sa bayang uniform? Yung coach yun. Tutukan na. Sige, ito ako talaga.
Sino sa mic? Kuya, magpapay ka. Mic tayo, mic.
Number 5 on the move. No good. Rebound. Rebound. Oh, out of bounds by number 7. Sub. Sub kanina. Number 11 in. Kiko. Pass to number 5. Number 5.
Wala si Aninigo.
Pass to number 11, Kiko for 2. Kiko Adona for 2 points. Number 11 on the move. Pass to number 7, Indon. Indon isolate. Number 7. Out of bounds. Orange ball. Number 7, Indon on the ball. Back to
Bentong.
steal by number 1. Number 1 on the drive. Pass to number 11, Kiko. Back to number 5. Number 5, isolate, speed move on the move. No good. Rebound by Big. Lifting violation by number 7.
Kasambay. Wala pang sa inyo.
No, number 11. Number 5.
Sub ba? Sub.
Number 5. Pass to number 1.
Balik!
Back to number 11. Back to number 5 for 3. No good. Steal by. No good. Falling up by number 18. Layup. No good.
Hey!
Number 35. Easy 2 points by number 17. Kiko, pass to number 1 on the side, foul. Sinong foul, ref? Sinong foul? Foul, number 7. Ino.
7 orange.
Ino.
7?
Foul number 17, rebound, back to number 3, back to 85, back to Nogu, rebound number 11, number 7 on the move, number 7 inbound, isolate, drive, sidestep, 2 points, no good, great ball, sayang yun, ang ganda rin, number 3, on the move, back to number 11, Kiko. Back to 85, no ball. Number 35, number 7, Indon, on the move. Isolate, sidestep. Uy, easy 2 points by number 7, Indon. Shout out kay order number 26, Coach. Number 3. Back to number 18, no good. Rebound, number 8. Back to number 7, Indon. Indon, isolate move. Parang Kyrie Irving. Orange ball. Number 7, back to Indon. Indon break, Indon pass, no good. Still by number 3 on the move. Still. Loose ball by number 8, Brave ball. Indon, pass to number 18, back to number 1. Number 1 making a play. Number 1 isolate, sidestep, no good, foul. Foul by number 11.
Personal foul.
Second personal foul.
Number 11.
Second personal foul na si number 11. And easy 1 point by number 1.
Ito ng laban na ito, parehas malakas. Talo kami dyan.
Saan na lang din?
Kuling range. Talo kami dyan.
Rebound, number 7. Number 7, isolate. Block! Block by number 11, Kiko. Henry on the move. Henry isolate. Block by number 65. Number 1 on the move, sidestep. Block by number 35. Foul.
Bulang.
Foul number 35.
Ilang yan? First foul.
First personal foul by number 35.
Ilang team foul? Apat.
14.
Number 1, number 35, first team foul, fourth team foul.
Prito na yan, panlima. No? Isang kwarta, prito na yan. Nasaan yung score? Wala. Score ba? Tapos na ito, 8 lang. Kaya nga eh. First quarter, walang score. Ang matang parehas malakas eh.
2 seconds, 1 second, and no good. That was a great first quarter for the both teams. Number 8 on the move, pass to number 35. Back to Henry. Henry isolate sidestep. That was a nice sidestep. Good. Rebound. Number 10. Back to Henry again. Henry isolate steal by number 12. Number 10 on the move, sidestep. Goal! That was a nice sidestep by number 20. Milo. Henry. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Isolate. Number 11, sidestep, heel drop, goal! Number 3, on the ball. Magawa ng play. Back to number 11, Kiko, jump shot. No good. 3 seconds, violation by... 3 seconds violation by number 7. Inbound number 35. Number 35, Bentong, pass to 8. Number 8, isolate, steal by number 20, Milo. Pass to number 3, till drop, no good, block by number 35. Foul. Foul, number 3. Sunga. Shaquille Sunga. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 35. Number 35, Bento on the drive. Back to number 8. Foul. Foul number 7. Raybon. Foul number 7, Aquino. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution rep. Nagbigay na, mamaya. Isa pa, rep. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Kanino tol? Bentong. Substitution, Bentong out, number 7 in. Gray, number 11 out, number 5 in. Foul! Number 7 in a power move. Foul by number 2. Foul number 12. Tristan. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw, no good. Second try. No good. Rebound number 85. What a kick out by number 85. Ramos. Number 17 on the ball. Balik kay number 8. Balik kay number 17 on Indon drive. Pump fake. No good. Rebound number 12. Back to number 17 Indon. Number 17 Indon back to Henry. No, that was a bad pass by number 7 Indon. Number 85. Back to number 3. Number 3, Shaquille on the drive. Side step, drop pass to 85. What a power move by number 85. Back to back 2 points. Number 11, Henry. Isolate, Kyrie Irving. Oh, back to number 8. Number 8 on the drive. No foul. Rebound by number 7. Number 3. Till drop number 3. No good. Rebound number 4. Ganda ng power move ni number 5 doon. Grabe si Apollo. Number 7 Indon. Left timeout. Number Henry. No good. Number 12 on the rebound. Back to Henry. Henry isolate. Henry spins back to number 10. Henry with a jump shot, no good. Rebound number 5. Number 5 on the move. Grabe si Apollo gumalaw. Good, good. Number 17 down. On the move. Kumukuha ng screen. Gumagawa ng play. Number 7 back to number 35. Benton. Benton 3 points. No good. Number 8. Number 17 doon. Pump fake. Isolate. Jump ball. Ganun bola. Pink ball. Pink ball. Gray ball. Gray ball. Gray ball, gray ball, gray ball. Lipat na. Number 20, number 5. Back to number 1, back to number 5. Number 20. Offensive foul by number 20. First personal foul by Milo. 13 foul. 13 foul now si Gray. Number 17 doon. Isolate. Gumagawa ng play. Good. Malakay ni Irving gumalaw doon. No good. Number 18 on the foul rebound. Back to number 20. Number 20 on the drive. Pass to number 1. No good. Foul rebound by number 7. Back to number 5. Jeff. Back to number 1 on 3. No good. Rebound number 20. Easy 2 points. Number 20 easy 2 points. Number 20. Number 35. Gumagawa ng play. Back to number 7. Idon. Misplay by number 7 and number 35. Inbound number 5. Number 1. Maghanap ang play. Number 5. Back to number 20. Milo. Back to Jack. Back to number 1. Half step. No good. Still by number 7. Indon on the run. Easy. 2 points. No good. Number 7. Traveling violation by number 7 Indon. Time out. Gray ball. Sick migration.
Okay na. Go na.
White ball. Change court na tayo. White ball tayo. White ball. White ball. Number 11 inbound. Number 7. Magawa ang play. Henry for 3. No good. Rebound number 18. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Bad pass kay number 3. Number 7 inbound. Magawa ng play. Number 7. Indon. Pass to number 35. Benton fakes. Jump fake. Pass to number 2. That was bad. Good pass sana yun mga Lodi. Number 3. Sunga. Back to Milo. Jump shot. Easy 2 points by Chico, number 11. Ganda nun, dami siyang Chico. Number 7, Indon. Isolate, crossover jump shot, no good. Rebound, number 17, foul. Foul number 18. Bobadilla. First personal foul. First personal foul, first team foul. 1 point. 17. Kiko. Bentong got the ball. Bentong on the move. Number 35, back to Indon. Indon isolates. White ball. White ball tayo, white ball. Committee decision dito. Walang shot. Kabila. Number 11. Back to number 7, Indon. Back to number 8. Number 35, Beto for 3. Bang! That was a nice shot by number 3. Ganda ng board. Green. Pass to number 11. Pass by number 7 on the drive. Number 7, fakes. Pass to Beto, number 25. Back to number 7, Indon for 3. Rolling. Number 18, back to number 3. Number 3, no good. Rebound. Indon. Number 7, pass to number 17. No good. Foul. Foul by number 11, Kiko.
Foul number 11. First personal foul.
Basket count. First personal foul, second team foul. Time out, great ball. Bakit kami hindi kami gumagamit ng time? Rebound, number. Foul. Blocking foul by number 7. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 20, Melo. Melo back to number 3, Shaquille. The pass by Melo. Traveling violation. Bakit ganun? Number 20, Melo traveling. Number 7, Indon. Hindi mo pa Kyrie Irving gumalaw. Grabe naman si number 7. Number 7, Dubo. Number 20, easy 2 points by Melo. Melo, easy 2 points. Number 35, Benko. Nagawa ng play. Back to number 7, pass to number 10. Number 17, loose ball. Again, steal by number 7, again, steal by number 3. Number 3, isolate. Number 7, in, no good. In and out. Number 35, Benko. Number 3, Heel drop, no good. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Number 35, Bento on the move. Back to number 7, Indon. Indon isolate jump shot, no good. Rebound, number 7 again, jump shot. Easy 2 points. Sub. Walang temple. Number 1 on the drive, foul. Foul number 17. Foul number 17. First personal foul, 13 foul. Foul na pala tayo, guys. 14 foul na. Miss. Easy 2 points by number 1, Tubakes. Basis. Number 10, Bento for 3. No good. Rebound to Bacchus. Number 1, sidestep block by number 35. Set naman. Ay. Whoa. Driving move by number 1 to Bacchus.
Harap.
Henry. Gumagawa ng play. Jump shot, no good. Rebound number 5. Easy 2 points by number 5, Apollo. Sabrep, 17, power move, no good. Number 10 for 3, no good. Rebound.
Easy.
Number 85. On foul. Sub rep.
Small rep.
Number 1 out. Kiko, number 11 in. Sino foul? Foul number 11. Si Henry. Henry foul. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Easy 2 points by number 18, Bob Padilla. Ganda naman ng free throw. Side passing. Number 10, Gray ball. Last touch si number 10. Tapos na. Gray ball tayo, gray ball.
Sobra.
Sino? Sobra white ball. Number 17 out muna. Fourth quarter. Wala pa. Sige, yan ang pagkabigay ng bola, 3 seconds na si Scout. Huwag mo muna yung play. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Number 5, back to Kiko. Number 11, back to Melo. No good. Rebound. Number 10, pass to number 8. Number 7, Indon. Magawa ng play, crossover, no good. Back to number 8. Foul by number 18. Foul number 18. Second personal foul, first team foul. Yes, sir. number 20 Melo, back to Jack. Back to number 11 Kiko, pass to number 85. No good! Sayang yun. Ganda sana ng play na yun. Miscalculated. Number 7 Indon, isolate. Nice divine up. Oh, side step. Up, no good. Bye-bye. No good. Henry, number 11. Fake, jump, no good. This by number 7 Indon. Side step. No good. Number 18. Back to number 5. Number 5. Bago ang play. Bago ang play number 5. Back to number 20. Pass to number 85. Back to number 20. Side step. 3 points. No good. Substitution rep. Melo out. Number 1 in. Okay lang yun guys. May mga bagay hindi nakikita ang referee. Number 35. Back to number 17 down. Side step. No good. Rebound number 5. Number 5 on the drive. Side step. No good. Rebound Bento. Bento on the move. Pass to Henry. Jump shot. Yes sir. Number 11 Henry on easy 2 points. Number 5. Pass to Waliuk by number 85. Back to number 5. Back to number 1. Number 1. Back to number 5. Number 11. Jump shot. No good. Rebound number 8. Henry. Back to number 7. Indon. Indon on the move. Back to Bento. 3 points. No good. Rebound Bento. No good. Number 11. Back to number 18. Malas naman ang clinic ngayon. Grabe. Number 5. Number 5. Pinapatay ang oras. Number 1. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 8. On the drive. Oh, no. Ganda ng depensa. Grabe yung depensa ni Apollo. Yan ang mga gusto kong tingin. Yan ang mga gusto kong tingin. 3 minutes, stop clock. Number 7, Indon. Foul. Number 85. First personal foul, first team foul. Second team foul. Bento. Pass to number 8. Foul. Foul number 20, Melo. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Henry. Isolate. Foul. Number 1. Pushing foul by number 1. First personal foul. 14 foul. Easy 2 points by Indon. 3 minutes, stop na tayo, 3 minutes. Number 3, pass to Melo, number 20. Back to number 1. Back to number 1, side step, foul. Foul number 11, Henry. Fourth personal foul, first team foul. Apat na si Bossing. Bossing!
Sabihan niyo ako kung kailan to start.
Easy 2 points by number 1, Tubaques. Arto Baques. No good. the shot. Stop. Play. Number 7 Indon. Gumagawa ng play. Number 7, isolate, jump shot. No good. Gray ball. Number 3 on the ball. Shot clock.
17 seconds.
17 seconds foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Foul by number 8. Panima. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 13. Number 3 drive. No good. Reset. Number 12 foul. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Number 85, Melo, jump shot, good. Number 35, Beto, on the ground. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Foul move number 17 out of bounds. Number 85, no good. Number 7, Indon. Isolate jump shot. No good. Balas talaga. Number 7. Number 7, Jake. Number 3, Suma. Isolate. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. 6, 5. Jump shot. No good.
Isa lang.
Beto, foul. Foul number 1. Free throw left. Dito. Second personal foul. 15 foul. Dito. Di ba na yun? Penalty left. Di ba na yun? Mahalas talaga. Grabe naman yun, Lord. Mahalas talaga. Number 35. One more shot. Puli na nila na puli. Good. One easy 1 point by Beto. Number 3. On the ball. Magawa ng play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. Number 3, jump shot, goal. Number 7, back to Henry. Henry, isolate, on the move, jump shot, goal. Number 3. I'm gonna play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. For 3. No good.